Fixperts has earned its name as fixing experts by handling hundreds of thousands of facility services per year with attention to quality and detail. Their services include building maintenance, repair, and refurbishing services, serving both commercial and residential. Fixperts specializes in any structure from high-rise to low-rise buildings, villas, malls, and common spaces. The company believes in investing in technology that is flexible, scalable, easy to integrate with, and delivers a better customer and user experience. The challenge. With over 500 service calls a day, their system in place was slowing down their operations and management team. This affected productivity and scalability, which prevented real-time customer service. Most other software solution providers could not keep up with their workload demands, customized requirements, or evolving processes. The solution. Focus Softnet implemented an all-in-one facilities and asset management and IWMS system that helped them manage projects, assets, facilities, people, costs, and vendors. The Centra Hub Facilities and Asset Management System provided cloud, SaaS, and mobile app capabilities tailored to meet Fixperts' management, reporting, field, and ticket management needs. The results. This allowed Fixperts to streamline their operations, facilities management, and customer service in one integrated platform in real time. Implementing the latest Focus Centra Hub Facilities and Asset Management System increased their ability to quickly turn around customer requests 50% faster, improve efficiency in the field by 30%, and improve profitability and growth. With decreasing those timely and costly functions, Fixperts was able to focus on the customer-driven mission they stand by. Focus Softnet helps companies grow through AI, ERP, and CRM platforms. To learn how Focus can help you grow and automate any part of your facilities and asset management business, visit www.focussoftnet.com.